everyone, it's Heather here with Best Laid Plans, and I have a short video for you for our last video in November. We've got a lot of holiday stuff and some other fun things coming on the channel in December, so stay tuned for that. Today it's just going to be a really short one. I have some things going on for Thanksgiving week, so I don't want to take up too much time or do anything too crazy this week, but I did want to go ahead and look at the STICKII Club reveal for the month of November. And I will add that this is going to be the last month I get 2 STICKII Club packs. From now on, I'll just be getting the vintage pack, or if I see something I like in the cute pack or the pop pack, I'll switch styles, which is something you can do with STICKII Club. I will leave the information and link about STICKII Club. It is a monthly sticker subscription service in the description box, but let's go ahead and get started. And I'm going to go ahead and start with a vintage pack. Oh boy. So the theme is "And Winter Comes," and this is really nice to have some winter seasonal stuff. We don't always get seasonal stuff with STICKII Club, but in this case we are getting seasonal. I'm just going to zoom out. Oops, got Christmas presents fall all around. So it looks like we have a notebook with a pretty candle. And Lily Malele is the artist. And on top, we've got little paper which did this beautiful, like, holiday scene terrarium bookmark. This is absolutely gorgeous. What a beautiful bookmark. I will definitely be using this in my winter reading or winter planning. Oh, just so pretty. This is gorgeous. Love that artwork. So we got a bookmark, and now let's get into the stickers. And so, oh, this is different. So this looks like a card. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So this art, yes, so they have a matching sticker set. So this art of these cats in fun clothes for winter is by Phoenix Chan. That's Phoenix7472 on Instagram. I think I actually posted this on my Instagram, which is at Valkyrie Plants, because I thought it was so cute, and I know that I'm not going to be keeping these pieces. I'm going to be giving them to a friend who loves cats. Not that I don't. So I just want to take a look and see what this is. I think it's a card. It is. So it is a holiday card with a cat. So I'm just going to put it back in its wrapper here, and I'm going to be giving those to my friend. And let's take a look at the rest of these stickers. It looks like we've got some fantastic, like, Scandinavian style winter, which is my whole kitchen. You have a Swedish horse, some gnomes, we got some craft supplies, and some really fun pastry and candles and books, and just really nice detail, like rosemelling and stuff on the teapot. This is by KK Lucky, or Arctic Selkie. We've seen art from her before, but this is fantastic. Really love this. And here we have a winterscape. This is Japanese art prints. Very pretty. And then from artist Erica Paja, Erica Paja Rio, and Erica Paja is her Instagram. We have this really nice textured paper that has owls and blue jays and penguins and geese and just really nice winter bird art. And I really like that the colors are a little bit different, some different, like, saturated blues. We have some fans with winterscapes and winter birds on them. This is also just from STICKII Club. And then by Y Studio, we have these gorgeous watercolor fox stickers. And these are just beautiful illustrations. If you like any of these, I definitely encourage you to check out the artist and the different collections, vintage, pop, etc. on Sticky Club's website. There's also a Black Friday sale going on Sticky Club site where you can buy lots of individual sheets, past packs. So check that out if you're interested. And here we have Alan Malele. And we have some different windowscapes with different scenes. We got a cat and birds and some friendly snowmen. Just really cozy and nice. And another teapot, or that might be a hot cocoa pot. Super cute. So that is everything in the vintage pack. And we'll just quickly move on to the pop pack. And looks like the pop pack is going to be a totally different direction. So the pop pack theme is in the moment. We have a book clear stamp that says work hard, snack often. And we also received this little paper pad that says draw something. And this is by Yan Yan Candy. As is this stamp, same artist. I'm just going to go ahead now and pull these out. Ooh, these are very interesting. So it looks like we have some moths. Rat Lady Art did this moth art, and we have some larger versions that are like die cut stickers of these. As you know, I'm obsessed with like the Luna moth and this type of thing in general, so I'm super happy about getting these, and I know that I don't necessarily have to just use them in winter. So these stickers weren't as like seasonal as the vintage pack, if you prefer something that isn't necessarily as like seasonally dated. So let's just open this up. I want to look at these. So we have the moth, and this one's cooking. This one is painting or doing calligraphy, and then this one is crocheting. Doing needlework. I don't crochet or do needlework, which is why I messed that up, guys. But I just love this art. It's so unique. I don't see anything like this anywhere else, so I'm really happy to get that from Sticky Club. And then again from Yan Yan Candy, Yan Yan Candy NG. We have some cat yoga, self-care. This kind of more reminds me of like back to school. But it's very cute. I like the purple. From Art Petrie, we have some cuisine. So we've got, looks like Japanese cuisine, and some finger sandwiches, sushi, and these all have these really pretty kind of colors. We also have another self-care themed, so I guess in the moment, self-care themed. So this is from Sticky Club, and it's got bake and playing guitar, listen to records, take a bubble bath, kitty nap. Very, very cute. And the last three are all artists. So the big featured artist appears to be Loa Fi, or I think it's Lofi. And I'm putting these down just so you can see they are clear and then more opaque toward the center, but they are again these sort of windowscapes, and they have these different characters representing, it looks like different kinds of like elements and activities. So we have this gamer here, and then we've got another girl kind of in a garden setting, another girl gazing at the stars, sports, reading and writing. And these are really, really beautiful. They're different jewel tones, and the illustration is just lovely. So it's really nice to have a set of 2 from this artist. And last in the pop pack, we have from Tex Art, or Tex Doodles, a set of purple kind of self-care related stickers, and I love the art of these. So we have a glass of wine, and looks like ice cream, and headphones, and your laptop. We've got candles and books, planning and journaling, makeup, this really pretty anthropomorphic moon, and then you have this kitty cat, and it's so cute. So that is everything I got in my pop pack. And that is it for the STICKII Club reveal for November 2021. I will have more STICKII Club reveals in the future. I'll just be doing 1 pack per month, so they should be shorter videos, and that will allow me to do hopefully more with the channel as well. And again, if you're interested, I will leave the description in the description box for STICKII Club, and how to get the monthly subscription from them, as well as the sale that they're having. I will see you all after the Thanksgiving holiday here, so no matter where you are, I hope you are having a safe and happy week, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!